right. Okay. Think we are good to go. All right. So thank you everyone, and let me welcome everyone to the data science project bank. I think some people want to join. Okay. All right. So please, before we start, I would recommend if any of us do not have VS Code on his or her local machine, the person can do so by searching for VS Code. By searching for VS Code, I have issue with my V. So you can search for VS Code direct like this. And install it as we begin the tutorials. So you can search for VS Code like this. Either you are using Mac, Windows, or Linux, you can still download it. Those that can also access the Microsoft Office can come to Microsoft Office and also search for the same VS Code. So you can download it from the web directly, or you can download it from the App Store as well. I think it's very light, so you can use 10 minutes or 5 minutes to finish with the downloading. So if the majority already have the VS Code, please you can let me know. And if we are all now downloading VS Code too, you can let me know, so I would know how fast I would move. All right. So those that are using Windows, either 11 or 10, please download it from here. Those using Mac, download it from here. And our seniors using Linux too can download theirs from here. So please, we can do that job for us. Oh, I already have VS Code, so. Oh, sorry. So please, we can download it from here. Windows users, download yours from here. All right. So the moment you click on it, it will automatically.
Who's that?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hold on now. All right, hold on.
All right.
Hold on.
Please, is the person speaking to us? Okay, downloading. I can hear. Oh, Kobe. Okay. Peter, you already have the VS Code. All right. Peter already have it. Okay. I'm coming. Kobe.
Yeah.
All right. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, I think I can hear you now.
All right. Okay. Then please let's all do well and download the VS Code, right? You can either download it from the web direct, or you can use your App Store, Microsoft Store. I think my internet is lagging, so if your internet is fast, you can download it from there. Or I think the direct browser is very fast too, so you can also download it from there. So please, if you are done, you can let me know it from the chat box. So I would know where each of us. Okay. Okay. Installing, all right. That's fine. How many are we in the? Okay, 18. So 18 number, including myself. So 17 in total. All right. I use VS Code. Okay. All right. Sammy. All right. Evelyn. Or if you have already downloaded it, don't worry. It would work. All right. So let's use the next 5-10 minutes to do this exercise, please. Please, if you are far behind and you are having difficulty, please let us know so we can assist you alongside. Right, so new message. Okay, can someone please give an overview of what we aim to achieve? All right, so Sammy, our aim is very simple. I think it has already been communicated, but for the sake of clarification, what we want to do with this project is to be able to connect our GitHub account to our VS Code. If you don't have a GitHub account, right from here, we are going to learn how to create a GitHub account, right? So we can link both together. And I think right from this project, most of the project we are going to do are going to be VS Code, GitHub, Python based, right? And even with the SL that we just did and the SQL that we did, and including this one, we can still push them to GitHub, right? And GitHub is one of the best version control for data scientists, right, to gather our portfolio. So the idea of data science project bank is not for anybody. It's not for anybody's initiative or personal gain, right? It is just there to bring us together so at least we can be doing projects together. So in case maybe you, Sammy, you sit down, you feel like, okay, I have gotten a data set. Okay, I have prepared this material and I think it is okay. So you can share with the team or you can call upon us for us to also contribute to whoever you get to. So at least we can all share among ourselves, right? Give everybody a copy so we can all share it to our GitHub account, right? To serve as our portfolio. All right, that's fine. Default, let me see. I guess I have I'm coming on everything default, right? Oh yeah. Yes, please. How do I access recording? Oh, please, after this meeting, I'll share the recording with everyone. If you are, I will share with you, don't worry. So, Sammy, our aim is to be able to collaborate and do projects together, right? So whoever starts can share with the team, right? So we can all have a copy in our GitHub account or as part of our GitHub repositories. Because right from graduation, we are all going to look for employment, and any employment you would apply for, 99% of it will request for your GitHub account, and it will save us a lot, right? So that's the purpose of the DS Project Bank. And to start any other project, we must be able to link our VS Code with our GitHub account. So, Sammy, if you are still lost, you can let me know. Okay. Please, if majority of us already have the VS Code or have been able to install it, okay, Sammy, that's great. Thank you too. Then we can search for GitHub like this, github.com, right? If you already have the GitHub tool, you can share with us. If you don't have, just go to your Microsoft, your browser and search for github.com, right? Click on enter. My internet is lagging, so it should take at least 5 to less than 10 minutes to finish this. Okay. Please, if you already have GitHub account, you can let us know. If you don't, search for github.com as well. All right. I already have GitHub, so let me use different email. Someone want to talk? I'm coming. As well. All right, so GitHub sign. All right.
I already have GitHub.
Okay, you already have it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So you can go to GitHub, sign up like this. So sign up. But I think if you enter the github.com, it should give you that sign up page. But I already have it. So let me use this and see the interface. Okay, no, let me use different web. Oh, Windows 8. Wow. Kobe, you're using Windows 8. Oh, no. I know. No, I don't download the GitHub. Just go to your browser and search for github.com. Don't download anything. So GitHub. Oh, don't even download the GitHub desktop. Just go to your browser and search for GitHub like this one. All right, so you see something like this, right? Please, those that are now registering for GitHub accounts, you should be able to see something like this, right? Now I'm using a new Gmail, so please, you should be able to get something like this. Okay. Kobe, try download the Windows 10 and let me see. If it didn't work, then get in touch after this section, okay? So I can see to you. All right. So please, if you get here, what you are going to do is go to sign up. All right. So sign up, enter, wait for this, and enter your email, the email you want to use for the GitHub registration, right? So I'm going to use Center. I'm going to use Center for Analytics. Analytics Services. At gmail.com. Please, are we all following? So this the email I'm going to use. I'm going to use Center for Analytics Services at gmail.com. Right. So use your main Gmail for this exercise. Or if you want to use your work email too, that's also pretty fine. But I think a personal Gmail is also pretty good. All right. So after here, come here. Right. So you create your own password. Create your own password. Oh. All right. So, okay. All right. So after here, click on continue. All right. So click your username. This part is very confusing, right? So you can merge your first name and your second name with a hyphen, right? So I want to use Richard. So maybe Rich M. So I want to use this as my username, right? I'll delete this account. I'll not be using it. So you can use your first name, underscore, and your last name, please. After here, click on continue. I think it is not giving me incoming. Okay, I think I already have this one. Why is it not giving me?
No, I think it doesn't accept underscores. So
I don't know why there's spacing
you
to.
have to change it. No, I think it doesn't accept underscores.
Okay, alphanumeric. Okay.
Yeah. I don't think it'll accept spaces either. So I think you'd have to switch
Yeah.
random.
But still, oh, why? Okay. All right. So I think something like
Yeah.
would work. Yeah. So please, omit the spacing and the underscore. Thank you, senior. Bless you. All right. So after here, click on continue. All right. So now type the yes. Would you like to receive product updates and announcement via email? If you would like to receive that, you can type the yes or no for that. All right, so now you have to verify your account, right? So what we are going to do now is all right. So now, depending on what you will get over here. So we are using this to match the face of this one. All right, so I think let me see. All right. Okay. So now our account is ready. Click here. All right. Now let's go back to our either Gmail or email or your work email that you used, right? Come back here and pick that code. So this my code. So you can just copy it and come back to so paste it here. All right. My internet is unstable. Please, if anyone is having difficulty alongside, you can let us know. All right. So how many team members will you be working with? So I can choose this one, 5 to 10, because we are many, right? So I can choose 5 to 50, and I am student, right? So click on continue, or you can skip it. All right, so now I'm coming on. I think I'm having issue with my screen. Okay. So the features that interest you in using the GitHub, right? So maybe I want to collaborate with colleagues, or I want to use GitHub Marketplace, or I can choose to ignore this one. You can also skip it, right? You can skip it also. All right, so you can skip this one as well. You wait small, right? So now my GitHub account is ready. So please, to this far, if anyone has an issue, please. Oh, Mike, you can't hear anything. Hello, Mike. Hello, Mike. Mike. Oh, sorry. Mike, please, if you can hear me, position yourself well and join us, right? Oh, you are facing challenge with the verification, right? Oh, sorry. Please try. Keep trying for me, okay? Keep trying. It will work for you. All right. So to this far, now our GitHub account is ready, right? So what we are going to do is we can create our first repo, right, over here. That's create repository. So whatever we will do on GitHub is called a repo, or your link is called a repo or repository. So we can create one here. We can click on this one and create a new repository. It's like we are trying to save a new work or begin a new work on GitHub, right? So maybe here I can say, no, first project, okay. Demo project like this, right? So that's how I want to name my repository, right? This part is for this description, how you want to describe your project, right? So maybe I can say this project aim to train colleagues how to.
Hello, Richard.
Yeah, hello. Hello, please. You can take the floor.
Yeah, so I'm still at the process of creating. Yeah, about the team members.
Okay. The team members.
Is it okay to choose the 20 to 50?
Oh, yeah, yes, yes, please.
Yes.
Yeah, you can do that. Oh, sorry. If we are sorry, I'm not using a microphone. I'm not yet.
And also kindly slow at where you are.
What is it?
Yeah, I said kindly slow down. Some of us are still in the process of creating the account.
Okay, all right, okay. Then Tim, please let's slow down for our colleagues to finish so we can all move at the same pace. All right. So please, in case of any difficulty, you can leave a comment here for us, right? Mike, are you with us now? Mike cannot still hear me. So please, if you're in the process of creating it, you can let us know your progress. Okay.
All right. I'm at you said what specific features are you interested in using?
Okay.
Should I select the creative coding?
Oh, yes, please. Maybe the ones that interest you the most, right? But you can choose to select one because when creating this one, I selected only one. Someone want to take the floor.
Okay. I didn't. All right.
Okay. Can we move on? Please, if any other person has an issue, please, you can let us know, okay? We are all for each
All
other.
right. Sure.
All right, and we are here to assist one another.
Okay. So yeah, I just opened the dashboard.
The dashboard, all right. So I think you can see create repository at your
Yeah. Create.
yes. So click on that one so we can all be on the same page.
Create.
Yes, please. Yeah, you can click on that one.
All right. Okay.
All right.
Okay. I'm here now.
Okay, all right. So now you can name your repository. Oh,
All right.
our time is running out. My God. So please, if it ends, I will start again so we can all join, please. So we can have the recording
All right.
share with others as well. Okay. So now, after your name, right, you can provide the project description, right? And now we have these two here, public and private. So maybe it's a project you don't want anybody to have access to, right? Or a personal project that you are working on. You can choose the private. But if you want it to be accessible to any other person around the world, then please you keep it over here for us, public, because we want everyone to have access to that repository link or that repository anywhere in the world. And there is something here called readme. This readme file helps us to add codes, continue on our project in VS Code. So please, whenever you are creating a repository, make sure you add this one. We can also create it in VS Code when we are able to link our VS Code account with our GitHub account. So please, always, if you create your repo in GitHub, do well to add the readme file. Hello, is someone trying to take the floor? All right, okay. So please add your readme file and choose license, leave it, don't touch it, right? Add, get, ignore, don't touch it. You can leave them. So once you do something like this, please, you are good to go, right? The next thing to do is create repository. So you click on it and you wait. All right, so I think boom, we are here, right? So it will give you an interface like this. So you could see my project description is here. That's the about. You can see my project name is here, demo project. And you can see it here as well inside my readme file, right? So now what we are going to do is, let's come to, please, those who have installed the VS Code, let's try and open the VS Code.
Okay.
Oh, where's my VS Code? Well, okay. Let's try and open the VS Code for the first time. If you already have it too, you can open it. So open your VS Code for the first time.
Hello.
Hello.
Please, I got stuck during the installation of the VS Code.
Okay, so please.
A lot of options here. I don't even know which one to choose from.
Okay, so what function are you encountering?
Okay, so when I got to welcome,
Okay,
okay, so I have to go to get started with VS Code.
exactly,
So,
exactly. Yeah, exactly. Get started with it.
Then I had to, they said discover the best customization to make VS Code.
Oh
Yes,
no,
you have personalized your VS Code.
you can ignore that. You can choose to
Oh,
ignore.
okay.
Yeah.
Next session.
Yeah.
Then learn the fundamentals.
Oh, you can
Jump right. Okay, so
yeah, ignore it.
okay. Split editor. Boost
Yeah.
your productivity. Blah blah blah.
Can you repeat that again for me?
Boost your productivity. So that's the title. Optimize your development workflow with these tips and tricks.
Okay. I
But
think you can select, or you can, if there is ignore, you can ignore it.
I can't.
You
I
can't.
have to select.
Yeah, or then.
Either select side by side editing, install Git,
Okay,
or customize your shortcuts.
select it. Select it. Select it.
Meaning baby, I want to catch mama numbi. Anyhow, catch numbi mama.
Are you true? Or
Catch no numbi mama. Mova cake and co.
are you true?
So which one am I going with? The side by side?
Yes, please.
Okay, move inside.
Oh, Richard, can you mute your call? Richard, can you mute your call, please?
I'm not on a call, senior. Or this one.
Oh, it wasn't you.
Yes, please.
Yeah, this particular one, cause we can hear you. We can hear your background.
Okay. No,
If not
I think one colleague of us, he was on a call.
Oh, okay.
All right, then.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so somewhere they said start new file, open folder, connect. I think that's where I'm supposed to be. Oh,
Yes, please. Yeah. So I think let me get to that section. I think let me cancel this one and start my VS Code again.
Richard, sorry, I was talking to Theophilus instead. I didn't.
Oh, okay. Oh, don't worry, senior. We are all together.
Yeah, sure. All right.
All right. So please, we have so many ways of connecting our VS Code to our GitHub, right? But I see the other process to be pretty long, right? For that one, we have to use Git global config and other codings in our terminals, right? But I think this one is pretty simple that everyone can do it with ease. So if we are all on the same page, what we are going to do is we are first going to exploit this area, right? So you can put your cursor here. You will see Explorer, right? You will see Search. You also see Source Control. And here, the next one, you will see Run and Debug. So now let's all come to extensions. So let's all select the extensions button. So if you open your VS Code for the first time, look at your far left you will see some buttons from top to down, depending on the VS Code you are using. Look for extensions. So if you can see my screen, that's where my cursor is. And the moment you put your cursor on it, the name will pop up. So click on that.
Move your cursor and put it back again.
Okay, this one.
Oh, okay.
All right. So now let's all click on the extensions. If it is too small, you can push it. You can make it bigger, small. Okay, you can make it bigger, small. So we are come to install some 2 or 3 extensions. Then we kickstart our journey. So the first extension we are going to search for is Github. So search for Github extension. All right. Yeah, this one, because I already have it, right? GitHub extension.
Into my own is like that. Does that mean it's already there?
Your own is what?
It's like they've canceled